cannot go live on Instagram. When you try to go live on Instagram, are you seeing this message? Your account is no longer eligible for live. We changed the requirements to use this feature. Why are you seeing this and how to solve this? From August 2025, Instagram updated their policy. From now, if you want to go live, you have to meet some requirements. Like only public account with at least 1000 followers can host live broadcast, and also account must be 30 days old. Now how to fix this? To fix this, go to your profile, then tap on that three line at the top right corner. Now go to account privacy and make sure your account is not set to private. Then grow your followers at least 1000. You can do this by posting reels and engaging in trending topics. Then again go to this three line at the top right and scroll down and tap on account status. From here, check if any community guidelines you violate. If you meet the all requirement but still you cannot go live, then go to Instagram app info, click on storage and clear app data. Now go back and log in your Instagram account again and try to go live. Your problem should be fixed. Drop a comment if your issue still isn't solved. Thank you.